Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Brat Threatens Police During Traffic Stop. It backfires terribly. Let's get into it.
Not take videos of me without my permission.
Why am I smelling in trouble? Sorry?
I didn't call anything. Get the dog out first.
Hey, buddy. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hi. Do you guys have your driver's license, insurances?
Yes, I have right.
Are you guys looking to file a report?
I am, yes.
Okay. Get your driver's license, insurance.
Yes.
If you just want to wait in your car, stay cool. I'll be right with you, alright?
I just said I'm going to grab my insurance.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. Ma'am, this is your car?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your insurance? Okay. Where are you coming from?
Just down the street.
Down the street?
I work with disability care at
Sorry?
Laurel Creek.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license, your insurance? Are those your plates for this vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. Can I see them? Give me 1 second, alright? What's your driver's license? Do you have your driver's license? Ma'am? Wallet? Your wallet?
Don't start that crying, that fake crying shit, man.
Okay, thank you. Look for your driver's license. What's your phone number real quick? You don't have, huh?
I've had 4 different phone numbers.
Okay. And your phone number, you don't know it?
I've had multiple phone numbers.
Could you give me the last one you had? No. Okay. Do you have a phone on you? And do you have insurance for the vehicle?
Yes.
Could I see it?
My daddy has insurance.
Okay.
My dad does everything.
Okay, call them.
Can you call him?
Do you have his phone number?
I have my mom's phone number. Not take videos of me without my permission.
I'm not. It's my coworker. I'm calling for
I think
someone to
you're
come.
in trouble. You don't understand that?
What?
Can I see if you took a video of me?
Sure. This is my coworker.
I have.
How much have you been drinking?
I didn't drink at all, actually.
I smell it. I see your eyes are glossy.
My eyes are glossy because I'm tired. I haven't slept in 4 days.
Why are you slurring your words? Do you normally speak like that?
I do. Yes.
Okay. Why am I smelling?
Can I see?
Why am I smelling
in trouble.
For what? I'm asking for a back.
Give me a phone to call my mother.
I'm with. You want to call your mother?
Yes.
What's her phone number? And I can call her.
I'm not giving it.
Well, then how am I going to call her? You got to work with... See, you do have a phone.
So I'm not stupid.
Yes, I know. You're not stupid. I was asking you for your phone number for the report.
Can you back up, please?
Sure. I'll give you some space. Hold on, though. Keep the door open.
No.
Yes.
I don't have to.
You're going to keep the door open because I don't want you driving away.
You have.
You seem impaired. You seem impaired. I don't want you driving away.
Okay, sir.
Can you shut the car off and then maybe I can...
You're retarded.
Sorry?
Excuse me?
What did you call me?
I didn't call anything.
Just hang tight for a bit. Just she might be 55.
I'm never doing it.
See, that's my coworker. The one that...
Oh, cool. That's cool.
Yep.
I had my packing.
So, where were you coming from?
Literally right here.
Sorry?
Right here.
You're gonna do your hair?
Right here.
No, you are right here. Where were you coming? Where were you driving?
Right.
You crashed. Do you remember where you crashed?
Crashing is like...
You did crash. You rear-ended someone. The white Cadillac?
The guy who hit the brake very hard.
He was stopped at a stoplight and you crashed into him.
I know what happened.
I know, but do you remember where it happened?
Yeah, it's just
I
being weird.
It happened over there, actually. That's how I'm asking you. Where were you coming from? Where were you trying to go? Like, what was your objective? Where are you trying to go right now?
My objective was to pick up somebody that was homeless.
Like a friend?
Yes.
Where?
I was homeless.
Okay. And before that, where did you get in your vehicle?
I'm not talking about this. I don't care about paying.
Paying?
How much I have to pay for it. I was trying to pick up somebody that was homeless.
Okay.
And I go home.
Were you coming from home? Or where do you live?
I'm not telling you where.
Okay. Well, I'm just concerned about you.
Why are you concerned about it?
Because you're showing signs of impairment, right?
Definitely not.
She's trying to make this into like a sexual thing. I could already tell. I could already tell the vibe. She's like, oh, you were recording me and I can get you in trouble. And she's not trying to give out any personal information, which in this case, he needs it. He needs it for the report. It's not out of the realm for him to ask for a phone number or where you live and different things. These are things that are on your license. You know what I mean? So it's like, well, not phone number, but you know, these are things that is not out of the realm of what he should be asking for. Man, she got to quit them lip fillers though, man. Her lips look like balloons. I ain't even gonna lie. That's the only thing I'm even looking at. I'm like, God damn, like, she got to stop that. She's drunk for sure. For sure, man. Damn. Let's see how this ends though, because I could tell, you know, she ain't getting her act together. So they might have to get her together. You know what I mean? If you know, you know.
I'm getting clear no record. Let me
Okay,
try
well,
contact
we're
them.
gonna make sure of that.
I
Okay?
resigned.
I understand. Okay, just hang tight. Okay, is that your dog?
I have 15 dogs.
What's the name of the dog?
Versace.
Versace? That's a cool name. Guy or girl?
Guy.
Guy.
I have 15.
Okay.
I don't show signs of impairment. You could call my mom.
You write this number down? We're just gonna make sure you're okay to drive. That's it.
He's new. I know he is. Like, I understand. Like, I understand because I had a husband that worked in law enforcement.
Really?
I did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Like, he doesn't know what's going on.
Okay. Well,
I do.
right.
I went to
You were
volunteer
had.
at 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. at Willow Creek Church,
Sure.
as I do every Tuesday and Thursday.
Okay. And then what happened after Willow Creek volunteering?
Nothing happened.
Well,
I had anxiety.
I understand that. I'm
But
saying
you
like.
don't understand.
what
Because if
you-
you don't have it, you don't understand.
Okay. Maybe you want to speak to my coworker. Yeah.
Everybody got anxiety and PTSD nowadays. Ain't that something? Okay, Miss
I don't know
Officer.
your name, so I just want to refer to you by.
Jessica.
Okay, Jessica. Okay, so
So you do know me.
Jessica.
because he
Street.
just told me. Okay, so if the accident happened here, what happened though? Did you hit the car? Did they hit you? What happened?
I have to pay.
Where are you coming from?
Unfortunately, body cam footage from backup units was never released by the department. Over the next 10 minutes, police attempt to question the suspect, but she remains uncooperative and evasive. When they ask her to step out for a sobriety test, she ignores their commands, escalating the tension even further.
I'm asking you, are you gonna get out for me? Yes or no? Or do I have to?
They gonna get her together.
Because it's
Better
gonna go
step
down.
out.
I'm telling you,
Better act
options.
right.
Either you step out or we take you out of the club because you do legally. Yes, I am. So are you gonna do it? Yes or no? Soy una oficial de Schaumburg y su hija está ignorando mis órdenes legales. ¿Le puede decir a su hija que se salga del carro y coopere, si no la vamos a tener que sacar a fuerza? Ahorita no le puedo explicar. Dígale a su hija que le estoy pidiendo que se salga del carro y lo
Miss
tiene que
Officer
hacer.
talking that shit.
Yes, you are. Pennsylvania Mims.
Look it up. Google Pennsylvania versus Mims and tell me what it says.
In Pennsylvania versus Mims, the Supreme Court ruled that officers have the legal right to order a driver out of their car without violating the Fourth Amendment.
Do you remember that
fact.
from law school? Did you go over Pennsylvania versus Mims? Did you? What? That you didn't graduate, right? So
What about you?
what? Did you graduate?
I did.
Almost. Almost.
More than you.
Well, you're not in a police academy. You have not done my training,
Oh, police.
so you don't know. No, you're not. No, sorry. Okay.
Let's stop talking. It's time to get to the action.
Yeah. Head up.
Oh, yeah.
Get the dog out first. Mom.
Buddy, come on.
You got the easy job. Get the doggy.
¿Vas a hacer los exámenes, yes or no? Are you going to do the test? Yes or no? No? Okay, you're still under arrest.
She not playing.
All right, go through to the car also.
She is not playing, boy.
Yeah,
That lady
we don't have
got-
For an alarm on
Thanks.
What are you trying to do? Huh? I can't hear you. Sad why? Well, she asked you many times to exit the view.
doesn't matter. No.
It does.
No, it does not matter. She's mad. She's mad. That girl's mad. It doesn't matter. She can do whatever she wants. But my parents have dominion over me.
Okay.
My parents, like, what? And then you took my dog away. Like,
Yeah, ready? Come on out. Just watch your stuff for me, okay? Okay.
Grab that. Yeah. Yeah. Come on in. I don't know where she is at, so I don't want you to have to wait to get back from wherever you was at.
Yeah.
I'm good. What'd you say? Come on.
29-year-old Jessica Medina was charged with DUI, resisting arrest, open liquor inside a vehicle, and operating an uninsured vehicle. Leave a like if you enjoyed this.
Dang, she had all that going on? Man, oh man, oh man. Listen, one thing about, hey, listen, if you a lady watching this, the last thing, if you get pulled over by a cop, the last thing you want to run into is another lady cop, man. Because she going to tighten you up, get you together real quick. You better off with the males. The males, you know, they got a little sympathy sometimes. But when a female cop approaching a female, oh yeah, you better tighten up and have them correct answers and follow them orders swiftly, okay? So, yeah, that's that, man. I think they did a great job, though, man. I get them. Yeah, overall, 3.5. Nah, I don't even give out points, but probably I give them probably three out of 5, because I think the guy could have been a little bit more. You know, you ain't gotta. Listen, you ain't recording her and all that. You ain't gotta be explaining yourself. Listen, tighten up. Get out the car. Like, let's get it together. So I feel like he could have been a little bit more, you know, assertive in that aspect and stuff. But overall, he did kind of do the right thing and let the lady take over. You know, let the lady cop get her right. So, but anyways, yeah, 3 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.